Hi all. Let's see few interesting questions from areas related to circles. Let's have a look at this question. Here we need to find the area of blue region. Area of blue region is area of square minus area of 4 circles. Area of square is side into side. It is 14 into 14. 196 centimeters square. Now, to find area of circle, we need to know its radius. Here, we can clearly see that the sum of two diameters of these two circles is equal to the side of the square. Therefore, diameter of each circle is 7 and its radius is 7 by 2. Therefore, radius is 7 by 2. Now, area of one circle is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. We get 77 by 2 centimeter square. Now, therefore, area of 4 circles is 4 into 77 by 2 is equals to 154 centimeter square. For area of blue region is equal to area of square minus area of 4 circles is equals to area of square is 196 minus area of 4 circles 154 is equals to 196 minus 154 42 centimeter square. Therefore, area of blue region is 42 centimeter square. Let's see the next question. Here we need to find the area of blue region. Area of blue region is equals to area of circle minus area of square. Area of circle is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 is equals to 7 get cancelled. 154 centimeter square. To find area of square, we need the side length which can be found by using Pythagoras theorem. This length is 7. This is also 7. And they are at 90 degrees to each other. So, using Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle, this is right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equals to sum of square of other two sides. So, hypotenuse square equals to 7 square plus 7 square. It is 7 root 2 centimeters. So, this is hypotenuse, this length is 7 root 2 centimeters. This is nothing but the side of the square. Therefore, area of square is side into side, 7 root 2 into 7 root 2, 49 into 2, 98 centimeter square. Therefore, area of blue region equals to area of circle minus area of square. Area of circle is 154 minus area of square is 98. 154 minus 98, 56 centimeter square. In the next question, we need to find the area of orange region. Area of orange region equals to area of square minus area of red region. Area of square is side into side. 6 into 6 equals to 36 centimeter square. Notice these four regions combine to form a circle. We can see that we have two circles inside the square. One at center and other formed by four quadrants. Therefore, area of two circles equals to 2 into pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 2 to 2 is equals to 176 divided by 7, approximately 25.2 centimeter square. Therefore, area of orange region equals to area of square minus area of two circles. Area of square is 36 minus area of two circles 25.2 is equals to 10.8 centimeter square. Therefore, area of orange region is 10.8 centimeter square. In this question, we need to find area of orange region. Area of orange region equals to area of larger sector minus area of smaller sector. Therefore, area of larger sector is formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Here angle is 40 degrees. It is 40 by 360 into pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 14. 14 into 14 is equals to 1 by 9 into 22 into 2 into 14. It is 616 by 9 centimeter square. Therefore, area of large sector equals to 616 by 9 centimeter square. Now, area of smaller sector equals to formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Again, theta is 40. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7. 7 into 7. It is 1 by 9. 22 by 7. 22 into 7 is equals to 154 by 9 centimeter square. Therefore, area of orange region equals to area of larger sector minus area of smaller sector equals to 616 by 9 minus 154 by 9 is equals to 462 by 9, which is equals to 51.3 centimeter square. Therefore, area of orange region equals to 51.3 centimeter square. In this final question, let's find the area of the shaded gray region. Area of gray region equals to area of square minus area of yellow region. Therefore, area of square equals to side into side, that is 10 into 10 equals to 100 centimeter square. Let me divide the yellow region into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we can notice that every two gray regions outline a semicircle. If we subtract area of square with area of two semicircles, we get area of 1 and 3 yellow regions. Subtract area of two semicircles from area of square, we get area of 1 and 3 regions. Therefore, area of one and 3 regions equals to area of square minus area of two semicircles. Area of square is 100 minus area of two semicircles is area of one circle. Therefore, area of one circle is pi r square. 100 minus 22 by 7 into r is 5 into 5. 100 minus 550 by 7. 100 minus 78 by 7. 21.5 centimeter square. Area of 1 and 3 is 21.5 centimeter square. Similarly, by subtracting the other two semicircles, these two semicircles we subtract from area of square, we get area of 2 and 4 yellow regions. Therefore, similarly, area of 2 and 4 yellow regions equals to, we get same 21.5 centimeter square. Therefore, area of gray region equals to area of square minus area of 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow regions. Area of square is 100 minus 2 into 21.5. 100 minus 43 is equals to 57 centimeter square. Therefore, area of gray region equals to 57 centimeter square.